You cannot run transactional based business if you have a long-term vision. In this video, I'm going to reveal how to attract customers for life who are loyal and committed by bringing 5 critical components together. If you want to differentiate from the crowd, you cannot run transactional based business. It used to work in the past, but the future of business is in hub, communities, and hand holding of customers. So take your notepads, stay till the end, and understand these 5 critical components if you really want to win. Are you ready? Let's get it. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through these 5 critical components which will help you get lifelong customers. And if you stay till the end, I'm going to reward you with a cool bonus. Yeah. Now, let's start with first component, which is big problem. It is not about how much you know. It is not about what kind of expertise you have in certain areas. It is not about what kind of information you want to provide. It is all about what is that big problem you want to solve. First, you got to find that. You want to solve a money problem, maybe help a business to grow, help someone in their career, health and wellness, personality development, creativity. There are 6 to 7 profitable niches. I've talked that in one of my another video. Choose a specific area which you are passionate about in those profitable niches and start talking about that big problem and offer the solution. Then your prospects will automatically get attracted towards you. So it is very important. You got to find that big problem which you can solve and offer solution to your target market. Yeah. Now let's move on to the second component. Your vibe attracts your tribe. Your customer is going to be a reflection of you. Your customer is going to be just like you, your mirror image. What do I mean by that? If you are someone who is having the mentality of getting rich quick, you're impatient, you're always looking for shortcuts to succeed, you are going to get the same kind of customers in your community. If you're someone who is always complaining, who is always cribbing, you are going to attract the same kind of customers into your community. You're someone who is always looking for discount, you're always looking for free stuffs, you are going to attract same kind of customers. So what kind of customers you are going to attract is in your hand. So it is very important. Keep upgrading yourself, always keep improving and start leveling up. Then you will see the quality of your customers also start increasing. Don't ask me why, but this is 100% true because I am seeing and experiencing the same thing in my customer base. As I started improving myself, as I started leveling up and invested in my learning, I started seeing improvement in the quality of my customers. So your vibe attracts your tribe. Now let's move on to the third component, which is design solution focused programs. How will you solve your customer's problem? People are with you in anticipation of solving their problem. So you go to design solution focused programs so that they can get results. So you go to design in such a way, there are different layers of solution catering to them. For that, remember 4C. So you can start with courses, training, seminars. Then as a level up, you can offer your coaching, one-to-one or group coaching. Then your high ticket consulting to handhold them. After that, you can have collaboration and partnership with other brands, other people, so that you can ultimately give them a better solution to their problem. Yeah. Even if you don't want to own any product, yeah, or you don't have any solution, you can take a route of affiliate marketing and forge partnership or find a brand, a company, or a person who has the solution to their big problem. Yeah. In this way, you can ultimately help them to get the result. Yeah. Now let's move on to the fourth component. Take feedback and improvise. If you are someone who thinks you are supreme, you have I know all attitude, remember this, you are gone. You exist. Your business exists just because your customer exists. So it is very important you take feedback from your customers and improvise wherever you can, because there is always scope for improvement and there is no end for your learning. So for me, my biggest source of innovation and improvement comes from my customers' feedback, my community feedback, and I always strive for excellence, and I will see where I can improve and give better results to my customers. So always regularly conduct feedback sessions, interact with your customers, understand their pain points, and see how you can systemize, how you can come up with better solution and create a fail-proof system so that your customers gets results faster. Yeah. Now let's move on to the component number 5. Show up every week and commit to get them results. Do you know why majority of people fails in year or two? Because their relationship ends as soon as someone becomes their customers. For me, my relationship starts as soon as someone becomes my customer. People don't care about your qualification, what you know, what is your result. People care about with the knowledge you have, with the solution you have, how you can get them the results. So it is very important you show up every week and commit to get them the results. It is very, very important you give the motivation to them, keep the excitement alive, interact with them as much as possible, and give the assurance no matter what, you care for them, you are humble, and you're transparent and striving to get them the results. When they get to know that and they experience that, no one want to go out of your community. So let's just recap. These are the 5 components you need to bring it together if you really want to have a lifelong customers, a great community or the tribe. So big problem, then your vibe attracts your tribe. Design a solution focused programs, take feedback and keep improving yourself, and show up every week and commit to get them the results. Yeah, as promised, since you stay till the end, I want to bless you with this awesome bonus, which is my ebook Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. In the description, I have given the link. Go and download for free. If you found this video useful and you want to continue the learning journey with me, tap or click on your screen and watch my other videos. What is your biggest takeaway? In the comment box, please write. I want to read and reply to each one of those. Until we meet next time, take care and bye-bye.